President John Dramani Mahama afna no de nsam yenu ne besoma so mo mfa ne nsaba ko mfa ne nsam yenu so sebe ya obetwa 2 times ni nyina 2 hands 2 times 1 hand 1 time.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Hello, Abusafo. Where there breaking news kit will be na mede Bremo. Some over Kaya be 1 week ago, and our prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah, now old minister in the church, and I can say during the swearing in of President John Mahama. On some yenu and so the name or the Nisabaku Soma obeko 1 time, but so the Nisam yenu is Soma obeko 2 times. But and Arahu 7 say also in or the Nisabaku pe ena esomo na odi beba ewie no no this kind of ebeto so back no so I think say trail no so back no and say one of the bodyguards no they or share atare red no I think say onona or signal no and can say on fan Nisam yenu ensom ansana say na adwene eba no ho a ode ne nsam yenu so enti no mintimi hu say direction na prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah de man no ode adwuma anase wan fa anya adwuma because odifo no ka say on fa ne nsam yenu ensom na onko 2 times ba ko pe no ode so mo kopem say ode franchise sword no eba beto so back ansana obi kai no enti no ode ne nsam yenu so mo for few seconds. Enti what do you think? Do you think say Ebema Odifo no komshe ejina and I say ejina? What do you think? Please like my page, subscribe to my channel, and let us build something together. You can drop a comment and let me know what you think. Thank you very much.
President John Dramani Mahama obenante boko say 7th January obenante slow afna no de nsam yenu ne besoma so Oshers, Munina Yamami Achi. Mon fan and Sabah, Confan and Sam Yunu, so Sabia will be 2 times. Hallelujah. 2 hands, 2 times. 1 hand, 1 time. Hands 2 times. 1 hand 1 time.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Two hands, 2 times. 1 hand, 1 time. 2 hands, 2.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Thank you for watching. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel, hit the like button, share, drop a comment, and hit the notification bell so you could be notified anytime we post a new video. Also consider following me on other social media platforms with the same handle, BluntGhana. We hope you will do that. Thank you.